BMW G310G's best first motorcycle for beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and an unparalleled connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is pivotal. The BMW G310Gs, with its blend of accessible power, adventure-ready features, and rider-friendly design, stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, versatile capabilities, and brand heritage, the G310Gs offers an ideal entry point for beginners to embrace the world of adventure riding and embark on a journey of exploration, skill development, and discovery. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the core of the BMW G310Gs lies a refined 313cc single-cylinder engine that offers a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a responsive and controlled performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of adventure riding with confidence. Adventure ergonomics and rider comfort. The G310Gs is thoughtfully designed to provide rider comfort during both on-road and off-road adventures. The upright riding position, spacious seat, and raised handlebars contribute to an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during long journeys. Adventure-ready design and rugged aesthetics. The G310Gs exudes an adventure-ready design with rugged aesthetics that reflect BMW's commitment to exploration. Its robust lines, off-road-inspired features, and purposeful styling elements reflect the motorcycle's capability for conquering diverse terrains. Agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The BMW G310Gs offers agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice adventurers. Its lightweight chassis, narrow profile, and responsive characteristics provide riders with the confidence to navigate varying road conditions. Safety features and exploration confidence. Safety remains paramount, especially for beginner adventurers. The G310Gs often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they embark on their first adventures. Urban commuting and off-road exploration. The G310Gs' versatility shines in both urban environments and off-road escapades. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city commutes and venturing onto unpaved trails, all while enjoying the motorcycle's adaptable performance. Community and adventurer connection. Enthusiasts of the BMW brand create a community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for adventure riding and the G310Gs' capabilities. Skill growth and adventure mastery. The BMW G310Gs encourages skill development as beginners build confidence in various riding scenarios. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the adventure riding experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The BMW G310Gs isn't just a starting point, it's a lifelong companion for the adventurous journey ahead. Its adaptable performance, adventure-oriented design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the G310Gs as they evolve from novice adventurers to seasoned explorers. Conclusion. The BMW G310Gs embodies BMW's commitment to delivering an accessible and adventurous introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, adventure-inspired design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the G310Gs provides an immersive gateway to the thrill of adventure riding. By choosing a BMW G310Gs, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for exploration and the exhilaration of conquering new horizons on two wheels.